Good morning, friends. Welcome to Dr. PM Times. This is Dr. Murugesan. In this episode, I am going to discuss why sustaining the weight loss achieved is difficult. The weight loss over initial period of time is easier, but to maintain the weight loss achieved is very, very difficult. What is the reason for this? For that, we'll just go on to the basic of obesity. What makes a person obese at a cellular level? At cellular level, in the adipocytes, two changes take place. One is increase in the size of the adipose tissue or adipocyte, and number two, increase in the number of adipocytes. Increased size is called hypertrophy of adipocytes. That what happens initially. A person who has an increase moderate intake of food first has an increase in size of the cell adipocytes from 0.6 microgram to 0.9 microgram, maximum of 1 microgram. This is due to accumulation of fatty acid in the lipid droplets that is present in the adipocytes, and because of which the size of the adipocyte keeps on increasing from 0.6 to 0.9 grams. Once it reaches a saturation level, then it can no longer increase in size. Then what happens? The adipocyte number starts increasing. When the person engages in further increased intake of food, the number of adipocyte now increases, say, from 25 billions to a maximum of, say, 75 billions. That's where the person becomes morbidly obese. Very severe obesity occurs because of the increase in number. Till moderate obesity, only the size increases. In severe obesity, the number also increases, adding on to the increase in the size of the cell. So, such a person, if he starts losing weight because of the weight loss program he undergoes, either due to decreased intake of food or increased physical activity, what happens is, in such person, only the size comes back to normal. The size will reduce from 0.9 microgram to original size of 0.6 or even lesser up to 0.3, 0.2 micrograms. But the number of cell never comes back to normal. The hyperplastic cell, the divided cell remains divided. The increased number of cells remains so. So, the adipocytes remain 75 billions. Only the size decreases from 0.9 to 0.6 or 0.3 micrograms. So, there is a tendency to regain the weight again. The divided cell remains, the higher the number of cell, more easily the size can increase back to 0.9 or 1 microgram, and the person has a tendency to get back his original weight. That is why sustenance of weight loss is very, very difficult. Thank you.